Don't use invisible zip. They quick they spoil. I'm sure you said that before, or probably someone has said this before. The truth is, you believe that because you probably have been using the wrong invisible zip or you've been fixing invisible zip the wrong way. In this video, I will be showing you the best way to fix invisible zip and the best invisible zip to use so that your invisible zip can last. If you want to fix invisible zip like a pro, then watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up. First, you want to stabilize your fabric with paper stay on the zipper seam line so there won't be a bulge, especially if you are working with a stretchy fabric. And that's what you have seen me done. The next is to run a loose stitch on the zipper seam line so that the line you are sewing on will be obvious. That's another thing I have done. And then you iron it out. I did that off camera. You have seen how I ironed it out. And now is the time for us to sew our zipper foot. But what type of zipper should we use? In this video, you can see that there are two different zips. One is the blue and the other is the white. Never go for the white. And I will explain why. Do you notice that on this white, the zipper fly is plain, whereas the blue has ST embossed on it? Most times, zippers with plain zipper fly are not as strong as the ones that has something embossed on it, especially the ST zipper. So if you want your zip to last, it starts with your choice of zip. Another important thing to consider is the use of zipper foot. The importance of zipper foot in fixing invisible zip cannot be overemphasized. It's not because you are not good enough or you are not a professional, but zipper foot helps you to navigate fixing your invisible zip easily, and it allows you to sew on just the line you have marked. And with that, you will not have to mistakenly sew on the zipper teeth, which usually cause the problem or make your zip go bad easily. So always go with a zipper foot while sewing your zipper. Now that we got the do's and don'ts for fixing invisible zip, let's get into it. Let's fix an invisible zip on a fabric. The teeth of invisible zip are curved inwards, and that's what sometimes makes fixing it difficult. So we want to align the fold we made on our fabric with the fold of invisible zip, and then you use your hand to raise the curve up so that you sew underneath the curve, and that's what makes invisible zip invisible. If you just sew on the tape, that is the fabric of the invisible zip, it won't be invisible. You can start seeing excess or the color of the zip underneath. But raising up the fold will help you to sew underneath the zipper teeth. It's very close to the teeth and makes it invisible. I'm sure you can see how I'm navigating it. Be sure not to drag your fabric underneath the zip so as not to have your fabric wobble when you are done or have a bulge at the back. Just gently work on the zip while raising the teeth curve to sew the zipper. And that's how we have it. Our well-made, neatly finished zipper, invisible zip. You can see it's even difficult to notice that there is a zip here. It looks just like another seam on the fabric. And it also opens and closes easily. There is no obstacle, and that's because I did not sew on the zipper teeth. And that allows your invisible zip to last longer. If my stitch should fall on any of the teeth, it makes it difficult to drag, and gradually the teeth will pull apart. And that's what makes an invisible zip allegedly feels like it does not last on clothes. If you have enjoyed this video and benefited from it up to this point, kindly like, share, and please subscribe if you like to keep getting content like this that will make your sewing journey easier. And until I come your way next time, my name is Sarah and this is Princess.